I post video every Tuesday, every week, and this Tuesday, I won't be able to post any sort of a video which you are thinking that it might come out, but apparently, due to the anthem thing. Hey, so what's up, guys? I hope you people are doing fine. And currently, the anthem hit Kolkata, and it was a disaster. I must agree because it was a disaster. Because I know you people must be feeling, you must be complaining that you didn't get the network, you didn't get electricity for a few days, and blah and blah and blah and blah. Yes, man, we can talk all about it. Even the tiniest of the problem, whether it was flooding, it was the waterlogging, there was no electricity for 3 days, there was no TV, there was no cable, there was no Wi-Fi, there was no internet, in short, and hence you were cut off of your virtual social media reality, and it was pretty devastating. Yeah, I guess I understand that. I was personally hit hard by this cyclone, by this COVID-19, and when there was nothing to do, I had a lot of time to myself, to my family, and it was pretty hard time for me because I had the whole time and all my thoughts was to myself, and I didn't know what to do. So I did a lot of reading, I did a lot of thinking, I did a lot of self-analysis, self-reflection, and I got to find out that there are many things in life which we are not ready for, but still we have to fight through it, because apparently you don't get to choose the fights. The main problem is the people who are living in the slums, who are living in the village, who has got hit by the cyclone the hardest. I want to talk about those people because yes, I know everyone has a problem and everyone should not deny the problem at all, but I want to talk about them, those who suffer the most, because apparently they don't have houses which are very sturdy like us. They don't have family planning, they don't have savings of their own. Maybe the rickshaw puller, the one who cycles or paddles his rickshaw, who earns by day and eat, what happened to them, man? What happened to them? Did you even realize, or were you too busy about thinking about yourself, about your internet, about your network connectivity, about your phone, about your other friends who don't even care do you exist or not? We are so selfish kind of ways, I guess. I don't even know how to describe it because it's pretty disheartening to see. Like the other day, I was reading a news where people are holding back the CSC laborers who are here to fix their electricity problems, and they were not letting them go because apparently they thought that if they go, there will be no electricity for days and they will not come back. It was pretty, I mean, it's pretty hard to describe those things because apparently a human should help other human beings. It's pretty hard to describe it. For the lockdown started 2 months ago, and since then we have been in our homes. Most of us, I'm not assuming, most of us are in our home, and some of you people are from the medical background, some of you people are from the finance background, such as bankers, who have to go to duty and have to fight even during this tough time. I'm all grateful to them, man. I'm all grateful that you people are working, hence we are living properly, or else everything could have been broken down. Simply, people who are getting everything, they take all these things for granted, and it's pretty sad. So you must be thinking, man, what I am I speaking? Why is there's nothing in this video? Because apparently I had prepared a script about what should I talk, but apparently today I'm not feeling that good, and today it's not because of the COVID-19. No, it's not because of the COVID-19, but because maybe I'm not getting the rhythm. I'm not getting how to do it. Apparently that is why I'm not able to do it. And I didn't have anything better to say, so I thought of sharing my thoughts on this amphin cyclone. Yeah, that's an ant. Don't come to me and hello. Oh man, it's come. uh, don't bite me.